Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I have a haul for you. Oh my goodness, I've only seen this much of it, as you can see a little bit here. Oh, I cannot wait to show you this. So we're gonna start out with some little kind of housekeeping items almost. I got some refill for my Mossy Meadow because last time I did a video of it, it didn't come out that great. So I made sure I got some refill. I got a couple of Stampin' blends. This one is the lemon lime twist. Of course, it comes with the light and the dark. And then I also got the Lost Lagoon. Again, the light and the dark. I picked up some Parakeet Party cardstock, and then some thick basic white cardstock. Okay, I also, well, let me show you this. I picked up the Rustic Christmas. This is a sneak peek of the, it's called Rustic Christmas Countdown Kit. And you guys, I'm going to be doing a class with this. It's going to be a special event class, but it comes out in November. So be on the lookout. I'm going to do a separate video as we open this, and I'll tell you more about that. The other thing I wanted to tell you about is it is free shipping on October 10th, 9th, 10th, and 11th. So today is the 10th. So any orders over $75 or more at one time in my shop gets free shipping. Now also, if you're going to be spending $75, you guys, you can join my team for less than that, $64.35, I believe. Normally $99, but you get 35% off. So if you're going to spend $65, you can spend less and get more because you get $125 worth of stuff. That is a great deal. Now, if you sign up with the $99, then you get the $125 plus an additional 35%. So Stampin' Up's doing a great deal for their 35th birthday. So either way, if you join, you get to order this set free. No, not free. You get to order this set that you can use during the free online virtual event that you will get in November. So it's called OnStage. It's their little convention. You do have to order this packet, but oh my goodness. And I think the packet is, I think it's around $75. So you could sign up now, get your $125 worth of product, or the other $168, whatever you choose. Then you can turn around today or tomorrow and order this set. And with $75, you get your first order under yourself. Plus you get free shipping, and you get this in advance. I know I'm sounding a little too nerdy about this, but I really am nerdy about this. All right, let me go ahead and show you then. This is what we're going to be using. I think this is everything. Yep, this is what they're going to be using for the OnStage virtual convention. And it is a one-day convention, and we do it from our home. So I think this is really cool. All right, let me show you these first. Look at those. They are called, what are they called? Adhesive backed hearts and flowers. Now this is a whole entire suite. It's called the Be My Valentine suite. So Valentine's already. So we get this adhesive back hearts and flowers. So we've got hearts and flowers. You guys, I'm still making Christmas cards, but I'm still excited about all of this. This is a sweet sorbet bordered ribbon. So you've got the sweet sorbet and then a white. It's really pretty. And then we've got these guys here. They make little pillows, and it's called a square pillow box. perfect for little Valentine's treats. Oh, and I could see right here, they've got adhesive already on here, so you don't have to worry about the adhesive from what it looks like. Now look, oh my goodness, how cute is that? You have the Be Mine photopolymer, Be My Valentine photopolymer stamp set. It comes with 24 stamps. 24. It's got those little flowers and hearts that are going to match exactly with the adhesive embellishments. It's got Be Mine, You're as Sweet as Honey, I Love You No Matter What. You guys, I'm obviously already, as soon as I read this, going, okay, I need to buy those little tiny honeys and make a tag out of this with the little bee. Oh, I already got it. Happy Valentine's Day. You'll always be the one for me. I love you no matter what. Oh, how many times have we drawn that with our little markers, right? Little faces. So cute. Oh, look at that face. These are, I'm assuming, going to be some bee wings. And what else? Honeycombs there. You make my heart buzz and then love you. So it's cute. So little photopolymer there. And then we've got the punch. What's it called? The Bee Builder Punch. I'm going to open this up. We've got the two little hearts, which I think these are going to be wings, right? Oh, maybe a wing and a heart, but they make two hearts. And then this is the body of the bee, but doesn't it look like a little word bubble? We're going to be using that for word bubbles as well. I'm sure of it. So I am so excited about this. And then we've got this paper, and what's it called? Be Mine 12 by 12. So you guys, I have to open this up. I have to open it. So if you are interested in learning more about the sign-up special, it is going now through the end of October, 2023, of course. And again, you either get 35% off or you get 35% more in product. So here we go. These are the two. So this is the back and the front. We got those little bees and then this plaid here. And the next one, oh my goodness. We've got this honey, jars of honey, and some red with those little lines in them. We've got some little bees and some hearts. I think I might have to say this is one of my most favorite. Look at those little bees. Oh, goodness. We got some more bees with some flowers. And the reverse side is these red flowers. Oh, I saw a sneak peek of the reverse of this one. So we've got more flowers. And look at that striped. You can go long or vertical. We've got some more bees. And then the reverse side is the, is that petal pink? Petal pink honeycomb? That's it, you guys. OMG. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I am so excited. I thought for sure, though, I must say, I thought for sure there was going to be a large bee that we could punch out. But that was not the case, and that's okay. I do have to say, I think this one is my favorite. Which one is your favorite item? You don't have to just pick your favorite paper. Pick your favorite item. And then again, like I said, I got this with it. Again, you can order this in advance. You can order this in advance, and you can order this in advance, when you sign up, and then you get this as part of your, you can even choose this as part of your kit, I believe. And maybe this as well. I'm not sure, but I believe you can. So you can choose that as part of your 125. So I'm not going to open this all the way. I'm going to do something, a full special unboxing where we undo the whole thing. But look at how cute that is. And we are going to be making some fun stuff because, you know, we always come up with some kind of alternative, right? So I cannot wait for this. So anybody who purchases this from me will be part of that event that's coming. And again, it's a rustic Christmas countdown kit. So this will be happening in November toward the end because I want to make sure you can get this as soon as it comes out in November. All right, I think that's everything. If you need any information, you can go right here, BeautyandtheStamper.com, and you can click on my Stampin' Up, and you can click on my Join My Team. There's all kinds of buttons on here that you can push. All right, beauties, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.